Hi friends, welcome you all. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see the new one app, which is going to learn the different kind of languages. That is Flash Academy. So we will see the Google Play. Go to the Google Store and open the. Just you can type the Flash Academy. So you will get the Flash Academy app icon. So select that one. So try to install it. Yeah, so Flash Academy, after installation, just go for open. Yeah, this is the Flash Academy interface. First phase you will get. So select the language which you know very well. For example, if I know the English, I will select the English. If I know Hindi, I will select Hindi. Or if I know German, I will select German even. Okay, so I selected English. So now you have to sign up. Okay, so if you are already member in Flash Academy, just you can sign up with that account, with that credentials. Or if you don't have, just you can go for the registration, just by entering your name and your email ID and the password. So once if you are entering all these details, then go for the sign up. You just enter your username, name what you prefer, and your mail ID. You can say of course Gmail, whatever the account you are going to give for this registration, and enter the password. Yeah, once up the password is entered, just you can go for the sign up. Just click on sign up. Yeah, so now the Flash Academy will open. Yes, this is what the user interface of the Flash Academy opens. So what language you want to learn? You know, at the beginning you selected English as the language I know, and this is the language. Here you have to select which language you want to learn. See, there are plenty of languages you can learn from this app, from starting from like Spanish or German or French, so or Hindi, even English, whatever the things you are going to learn from this. You can learn very effectively and very easily. So you will get a lot of options even. So level wise they will give the course, like course, it will show the level wise from the basics. So that will be very effective to learn, and after that like a quiz section, so that you are going to be familiar with that. So this made me helped me even to learn my Spanish languages. That is the reason why even I want to share with you all. So I will show you the sample. So I selected the Spanish language. So I selected English as my known language. So I selected second time, I selected as a Spanish. So to learn the Spanish. Yes, now it will load. It takes some time to load the language contents. So if you see at the top, it will show you the how much the percentage it is loading that language options. Okay, so you can see at the top it is reducing now. So still it is reducing, so it will come to the last point, so it will open automatically. So that depends upon the language type which you are going to select, and based on your internet it will come, it will open very fast. Yeah, so you can see this is the where you are going to start your lessons. You can see the basics, then food and drink items, how to pronounce, or you can say what kind of things available, and what will be that words in the Spanish language. So that you are going to get all these details. You can see from shoppings, from house and hospitals, health, food and drinks, and family relations. So like this kind of different kind of options, what the language we need, especially to interact with the Spanish people. For example, if you take it as a Spanish, and if you go for the another type of language, the same kind of things you will get to become familiar with the language and to get the command and the language. So for you have to start from the basics. Okay, so since you are the beginner of this language, any kind of language, so go for the basics. So from that you will try to learn the at least 10 words per day. So that will make you very easy to get with the language. Yes, I am starting now with the basics. Yes, you can see the basics, lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3. You will find the different lessons with the quizzes automatically. We will see that now. Just you can start the lesson 1 now. We will see what the kind of things you will get from this. Yeah, if you select the lesson 1, yes, this is the what you are going to get the breakfast. So what we can call it as a breakfast in the Spanish language. So El desayuno. So el desayuno is the Spanish word for the breakfast. Okay. If you click on the audio, so it will pronounce that word. Can say so el desayuno. So this word will you have to register yourself. That means you have to learn from this like this audio file. So once if you click on that, it will show the pronunciation. How many times you want, you can. If you select next, the quiz will start. So what will be the breakfast in Spanish? Okay. So el desayuno. If you select that one, yeah, if you select that one, just you can go for the continue. It will show whether it is right or wrong and what kind of things you need to be aware. Such kind of feedback also you will get. This makes you perfect and getting the command and the language. So that is the reason why I'm preferring and recommending you to go for this app to learn the different kind of languages. We will see second word even, el cafe. So this is the Spanish word for the coffee. Okay, so if you click on the audio also, even you can see the same kind of pronunciation. So to get effective of that, to get the effectiveness of that word, and again the quiz. If you select the next, it will ask the quiz. What will be el cafe means coffee. So if you choose that one, it will show which is the right, whether the option is right or wrong. So this kind of things feedback you will get immediately, so to get the good command and the language. So like this, not only Spanish, if you want to go for the German, if you want to go for the French, if you want to go for the Hindi languages even. Okay, so different kind of options you will get, so to know and to be aware of all the languages. This will be helpful for you.